Welcome to Lesson 2 on proportion. In this video, we'll look at drawing scale diagrams. So we'll need to have a ruler handy. Example 1 says, given the diagram below, draw a scale diagram using a scale factor of 2.25. Then we have to label the side lengths of each diagram. Now, since our scale factor is bigger than 1, we have an enlargement. So I'm going to start by placing my ruler on this line segment, which is 1 centimeters long. Now for the line segment below that, that is also 1 centimeter. So I'm just going to mark these to show that they're equal. Now for the rectangle below, the side length are going to be equal. They're both 1.5 centimeters. And the other side length is 2 centimeters long. So now to draw the scale diagram, I need to multiply each of these measurements by the scale factor 2.25. So 1 centimeter times 2.25 is 2.25 centimeters. 1.5 centimeters times 2.25 is 3.375 centimeters. And then 2 centimeters times 2.25 is 4.5 centimeters. So now I'll place my ruler down on the paper and draw a line that is 2.25 centimeters long. Now my ruler, I have 2.2 and I have 2.3, so I'm going to just stop in between those two numbers, 2.25. Now since our side lengths need to correspond, I need to find the middle of this line in order for me to draw the vertical line down. Now the halfway point of 2.25 is 1.125. So measure that on the ruler the best you can, 1.1, and then draw your straight line down 2.25 centimeters long. Now at the bottom of that line, we need to draw a line segment that is 4.5 centimeters long. But again, that line is in the middle of the rectangle. So you should draw a line going across this way that is 2.25 centimeters long. And then draw a line segment going across here, which is 2.25 centimeters long, so that altogether it is 4.5 centimeters. It's even on both sides. Then you go straight down for 3.375 centimeters, which is close to 3.4 on your ruler. And then of course you go straight across for 4.5 centimeters. And then straight up for 3.375. So make sure you use a ruler when you draw your diagram. Now in example 2, here we have a circle. So we're not going to use a compass, we're just going to use the grid to help us draw the best sketch of a circle we can. Now we're told that the scale factor for this diagram is going to be 2/5. So I'm going to find the radius of the circle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So I can calculate the radius of my scale diagram. Now 5 times 2/5 is going to give me 10/5, which is 2. So that means the radius of my circle is going to be 2 units. Since the radius is 2, I can also put a dot here, and a dot here. So now connect those dots the best you can in a circular manner. Now for the last one, it says, Karis sets the zoom feature on a photocopier to 30% so that she can copy a picture of her dog that is 15 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Draw the scale diagram. So here we have a rectangle. One of the side lengths is 15 centimeters. So now if I multiply that by the scale factor, 30%, I'll figure out the dimensions of the photocopied one. So now 30% is the same as 0.3. So I move my decimal 2 places to the left because I'm dividing by 100. So now when I multiply that, I get 4.5 centimeters. I'm doing the same thing with 20 here. Multiplying that by 0.3 as well, I get 6 centimeters. So now using my ruler, you can draw a line straight down that is 4.5 centimeters long, and the line going straight across that is 6 centimeters long. Again, straight up, 4.5, and then straight over for 6.